Students, we'll discuss about in the last class we have discussed about the factors and multiples. You might have got the clarity about that. So here now we are going with the prime numbers and the composite numbers. So first let me start our discussion with the prime numbers. Prime numbers, in general you know about these. This is very common thing. So prime numbers means the numbers which are with the only two factors. That means the number with the factor as 1 and itself is called as the prime numbers. Numbers which are with the factors as 1 and itself. 1 and itself are called as the what? Prime number. So I'll take 1 is not a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 3 is also a prime number, 5 is also a prime number, 7 is also a prime number, 11 is also a prime number. See, let us go for the factors 1, 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 5, next 1 and 7, next 1 and 11, like this, next one is 13, like this. So here the numbers with the only factors as 1 and itself, that means there exist only two number of factors. There are two factors for the numbers. Such type of numbers are called as the prime numbers. So now let us go with the composite numbers. Composite numbers means the numbers with more than two factors. The numbers with more than two factors. More than two factors in the sense, so by missing all the prime numbers other than 1, that by missing all the prime numbers, each and every number can be taken as the composite number except the one I am telling. So here 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 and so on are taken as the composite. See what are the factors? 1, 4, so 1, 2, 4. Here the factors 1, 2, 3 and 6, like this. See 1, 2, 4 and 8. So here 3 is the 7, 3, 9 and here 1, 2, 5, 10. Here for 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, like that. That means the numbers for which there are more than two factors are called as the composite numbers. So but here least composite number is going to be 4. Least prime numbers, the smallest prime number is going to be 2. Smallest composite number going to be 4. So in the same way, if you speak about the 1 is neither prime nor composite. Neither prime nor composite. So it would not be the prime number and it would not be the composite number. So this is all about the small introduction for the number system in case of prime numbers and the composite numbers. So with the help of this only I can speak about the I can comment about the twin primes. So twin primes means the pair of prime numbers for which the difference is going to be 2. Such type of numbers are called as the prime numbers. Pair of prime whose difference is 2. Whose difference is 2. For example, 3, 5 you take, 5, 7 you take. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. So if you go for 2, 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. It is not possible. Next one, 11, 13. So these are the pair of prime numbers whose difference, if you cross check the 13 minus 11, 2. And what is mandatory is the number should be the prime numbers and it would not be like 4 and or it would not be like some example 4 and 6. 4 and 6, these are, even difference is 2, these are not prime numbers. And it would not be like something like this also. 7 and 9. So see here difference is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. But even though 9 is not a prime number, both the numbers should be prime numbers. Next one is going to be composite numbers. sorry, composite numbers is over. Next one is going to be twin primes is over, co-primes. Co-prime numbers means here the numbers need not to be prime. The numbers need not to be prime, but there exists no common factor for the number. There exists no common factor. That means except one, there would not be any common factors for the number. Such type of numbers are called as the co-prime numbers. So here, while you are going for the co-prime numbers, let us go with one example. 6 and 25 you take. So here 6 and 25. Don't close. So 6 and 25 means, so what are the factors here? 1, 2, 3, 6. What are the factors here? 1, 5, 25. So if you observe these two here, so here 1 is only the common factor. 1 is only the common factor, and there would not be any common factor other than 1 here. So here, and one more, see here 6 is not a prime number, 25 is not a prime number, but there exists no common factor for 6 and 25, so that these numbers to be taken as the co-prime numbers. Next one is going to be 8 comma one more 9. So 8 comma 9 means 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 3, 9. See here, other than 1 we are having some factors, but 2, 4, 8, 3, 9. Is there any common factor here? No. So these are going to be taken as the co-primes only. So one example I will take 25 and 10. So what are the factors? 1, 5 and 25. What are the factors? 1, 2, 5 and 10. Is there any factor common for these two here? So if you observe here, 1 is, of course, leave the 1. 5 is the common factor. So here we would not take these numbers as the co-prime numbers. That means there should not be any factor in common. Such type of numbers are called as the co-prime numbers. And one more time I am telling, there would not be, or there is no condition over that these numbers should be the prime numbers. These number need not to be prime numbers, but what we can tell, there exists no common factor other than 1. So pair of numbers for which there exists no common factor. No common factor except 1. Otherwise, the pair of numbers for which only one is the common factor. Such type of numbers are called as the co-prime numbers. And if you take any prime numbers, obviously those are co-primes. These are prime numbers means 1 and itself. So here 3, 5. So the common factor is 1 and 3. The common factor 1 and 5. 7 and 11. So 1, 7, 1, 11. So if the numbers are prime, obviously those are going to be co-prime. But there is no mandatory condition over here that so numbers should be the prime number. So this is all about the prime numbers and co-prime numbers. Once again, so prime numbers means the numbers which are with the factors as 1 and itself.